Hari Om Tat Sat. Since a year and a half, due to the pandemic, we have all been facing lockdowns, travel restrictions, staying at home, the wife or the husband at home, the children at home, online education for the children, leading to a lot of anxiety, stress, depression. And it is in such conditions I congratulate and thank Sayujya Yoga, Yoga at Home, to conceive of this Pratyahara workshop. The workshop to awaken the relaxation response within, to enable one to rejuvenate, to revitalize, and to delve deeper within. To delve deeper within to one's own center of peace, of happiness, and awaken the creative response while we face the raw events of life. This workshop will be a guideline to learn the art and science, to know the art and science of Pratyahara, the philosophy behind it, as well as the practices of Yoga Nidra, Ajapajap, Antarmauna, mantras, tratak, as Pratyahara practices, leading one to be able to concentrate, focus, and maybe turn into a meditative experience. I invite all of you to join in for this workshop, to go back to the roots, to relax, to rejuvenate, to revitalize, and to retreat within. Let's all go together. Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om